Hi children, it's Miss Kay, and today I would like to read a piggy and elephant story. And the name of the story is Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems. I also have a tissue here in case piggy or elephant might need it in the story. Oh, it looks like elephant is getting ready to sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. Oh, look, elephant has a tissue here. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! Poor piggy's flying up. I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Look at where Piggy went. So glad I have this tissue here. What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Look at Piggy. Smart thinking. Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. Do you think Gerald wants to tell Piggy that he is not allergic to pigs? I have a cold. Good for you. Now, who has a cold? That's the end of the story, but we know there's one more part. Get yourself ready. See if you can find the pigeon. Here goes. Where is he? I think he was easy to find this time, right? Because he's right there. I hope you like the story of Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems, and I'll be back another time, okay? Bye-bye.